go! The sand is really hot. But we have to go across the sand to get to the ballet. Baby Booby Bird needs to be in the show.
June? What is Baby Booby Bird doing?
Baby Booby Bird just had another excellent idea. He knows a tap your toes dance that can help us get across the hot sand. It's called Ballet. But to dance across the hot sand, we're going to need your help. Come on, put your feet out in front of you and tap your toes, like me. That's it. Tap your toes. Hooray! It's working. We're tapping our toes so fast, the sand isn't hurting our feet. Ooh! Ouch! Hot! Uh-oh, the sand is getting hotter. We need to hooray faster. Tap your toes faster with us. Here comes the hottest sand yet. Tap your toes as fast as you can. Hooray! We made it.
All right!
Thanks for helping us dance across the hot sand. And guess what, Baby Booby Bird? You earned another sticker for doing such a great beret.
Whoa! Another sticker! How many stickers does Baby Booby Bird have now? 2? That's amazing!
Great job, Baby Booby Bird. You're becoming such a good dancer.
Uh-oh! That sounds like the ballet show. It's getting louder and louder.
It's almost time for the show to start.
We've got to hurry and get Baby Booby Bird there in time.
Oh, don't be sad, Baby Booby Bird. We will get you to the ballet in time. Uh-oh, we don't know which way to go. There's no sign.